Howdy campers, back again. This time we're doing the cabin filter for my 2016 Cayenne. And I took out, there's only one screw, T20, and then this whole piece comes down. Give it a good yank here. Let's see. All right, hang on. Let me get my, oh, I've got no strength after doing that belt. Anyway, there we go. Sorry, couldn't see much of that. You just give it a good yank. These are just interference fit kind of thingies holding this puppy in place. And then there is the LED light over here and an LED light over here for the interior. You may not necessarily have to remove those. Then you go underneath. There's a long thing on here. Excuse me, a cover plate, whatever you want to call it. A lot of places tell you to remove this, so you just pull that out. See how that comes out with that one there? And then you twist it, and out it comes, and it slides right out. There you go. See, and that piece is down. I don't even think I needed to remove that, but I figured just for illustration purposes, this right here, this is the cover under the bottom. There is a tab on this end that most places tell you to grab onto, but I found if you go to this back piece, it's just a little thing here, and you pull on that, and it pops right off, and you're done. And that's it. Be careful, don't lose the gasket that sits on that, because that's important. You don't want to pull it, you know, the whole purpose of having a cabin filter. Make sure that goes back on there. Now, one thing I will let you know on this, I ordered the one from Pot Auto on Amazon, and it's supposed to be a, you know, guaranteed fit or whatever on that. But when I got it, look at my review on that air filter, you'll see that there's a huge difference. This takes up the original one here that I'm pulling out, takes up the entire, as a matter of fact, look, it doesn't even want to come out. You have to actually go up here on the edge and get that in there, and then just pry it out just like that. And that gives you enough to get it going and get it moving out of there. So let me get this out of here. Okay, and there we go. And look at that, and it falls right out. So there you have it. That's how that comes out. I went ahead. Oh, it's gonna make me pull it out, isn't it? Oh, you little bastard. Oh, maybe not. Anyway, since this is the old one here, this is what we've got. Pull this one out here. Oh, look at that. Still, even this is the one, the Denso replacement from Advance Auto. It's closer by far. Look at that. It's almost there. I mean, it's good enough, I think, where I'm obviously, for considering this is an $18 filter versus I think it's 30 to 35 for the original one. It's close enough. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this puppy in there. Watch for the airflow. The arrows are going that way, so that goes towards the center of the vehicle. Some guys say the engine or whatever. I'm gonna pop that puppy. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, there's not a lot of room. I'm a big guy, so it's kind of hard. Towards the coils there is where you're going, which is mainly what this thing is doing. Let's see. And up she goes. Now see how that wants to fall out. So I'm pushing it up in here, and there you have it. So I am going to put that back piece on here and slide that front piece on here, making sure the gasket is still in there, and you just push it up there and it grabs. I mean, it's in as it. And you didn't even hear it click, right? And up it went. So there you're at. And she's in. And that's it. I will tell you this. Oops, sorry. This one here, I did a lot of cross-referencing on it. And the Delphi 524-25360, or the CUK from Manfilter 2847, the VW7PO.819.631, this is the best fitting carbon filter, period, that goes in there. Since these are going to get replaced, especially here in Florida, they get replaced quite often because just the amount of AC that gets used is beyond ridiculous, obviously. And eventually I'll switch back around to that. So I'm going to keep that for reference purposes. But the one I found, it's the Denso. Sorry, let me get caught up here on my YouTube etiquette. This is the Denso filter, cabin filter here. And oh, come on, focus. Focus, you little bastard. Anyway, this is the 454-5054. Come on. Come on. There we go. Cabin air filter. And it doesn't say it on here, but you can see when I pulled it out, it definitely has the carbon in there. There's even instructions. Got to read the instructions. Yeah, let's see. Oh, nothing specific. It's just standard instructions on, whatever. It doesn't even give you the installation and removal instructions. But anyway, there you have it. That's the end of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the air duct. Make sure you put the air duct back in. If you disconnected into the LED lights, obviously reconnect those, and back together it goes. Pop it up in place, put the screw back in, and we're going to go out for a hot day of beautiful Florida sun, ride, and enjoy the AC. Alrighty.